Okay, so this is Bones, and I am Ella, and these are iPhone 12 Pros. So there is a rainbow on this one and no rainbow. And the boxes are a little thinner, can you tell? Okay, so we're going to get into opening the gold first. I think I'm going to peel this where it has the itty bitty arrow. So this, the box is black, and it has some instructions on the black back. So we're gonna open it. It's the final reveal. It's beautiful. Look at it. Look at how it shimmers. Look at that. It's not. I'm going to peel this to show you what it looks like. Whoa, look at it. Look at the back. Look at the sides. It's beautiful. So this is the charger. You peel the little tabs. Oh, this looks kind of fun, to be honest. So I am peeling those. Look at that brand new charger. Perfect to plug the phone in. Oops. See? Look how beautiful it is on its charger. It's beautiful. And in here are the instructions, and it also comes with an Apple sticker. It's bigger. I feel like it's bigger this time. Some instructions. What's this? I'm not sure what this is. Not sure what this is. Do any of you all know? Comment down below if you know. It's kind of like this. What is it? I think. No clue. Oh. There's something in here. I don't know if I can get it out. Maybe like this. And the blue one. Shoe. So here's my gold one. How splendid it looks. It looks beautiful. So we're moving on to the blue one. Look at this color. I don't think they're charged. Look at this color. Looks so beautiful. Now I'm going to show it to you next to the gold. Yep. And the blue also has a charger. I'm going to unplug the gold real quick. Oops. So, I am going to unravel this cord. Now that we're done with that, it has the same thing as the rose gold one, and I don't need to show you that again. So yeah, pretty much. Look at them. This one is such a navy, and this one's like almost white. Look at them. Okay, so we are going to move on to the blue one's sticker. How do I get it? Yeah, same thing. Same thing. They're just white little stickers. Pretty much. Instructions. Okay, so let's move on. So their cords do not come with a block anymore. See, there's no block anymore. So, and this does not looks like it goes into a block. So it looks kind of weird. I'm gonna have to find out what that goes into. So, yeah, that's about it. And that one also came with the weird thing. This one also came with the weird thing. The weird little thing. I don't know what that is. Like, maybe you want to find out. Oh, it's not in this box. Yeah, see, the weird thing just comes like this. Like, what is it? Am I holding it the right way? Like, I'm not sure. Like, what is it? Like, what is it? Like, I have no clue what it is. So, these are the iPhones, and I am really excited. So, they are beauties. I would totally switch to the 12 instead of the 11. I would do it. I would do it. So thanks for watching. And smash that like button, comment down below, and thanks for watching.